Let's start by looking at concatenation. So we can concatenate one list to another. Let's say we have a list containing the elements 3, 4, and 5. So we can simply concatenate this to another list containing the elements 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we have a new list containing these elements. So that's concatenation. And to do concatenation, the lists don't have to be of the same length. So for instance, I can concatenate a list containing these numbers to another list containing, let's say, some character alphabets A, B, C, and they don't have to be of the same length, D. So we get that. We can save our list in some variable, let's say 4, 5, item 1, and then let's say another list containing the elements 2, 3. And from our previous lecture, we have a list containing these elements XX, so we can simply concatenate them by saying X plus XX, and we get a new list containing these elements. So 4, 5, item 1, and a list containing 2, 3 from our list object X, and the remaining elements are from our list object XX. That's concatenation. Next, let's look at multiplication or repetition. So we can simply say, let's call our list X. So we can multiply this by, let's say 2, and that will repeat the elements in X. So 4, 5, item 1, 2, 3, and now it's repeated again. If we have, let's say we have another list 2, 3, 4, item 2, and we can simply say our list times 4, and the elements will be repeated 4 times. So that's multiplication or repetition. Another operation we have is in. We can use the in to see if an element is in our list. So we'll get a Boolean result. Boolean means true or false. For instance, we can say 5 in a list containing 2, 3, and 5. So that will be true since 5 is in this list. Whereas if we say 4 in 2, 3, and 5, we get false. Similarly, we can save our list in some object, in some variable. So if we call our XX, we have this. We can simply say A in XX, and we get true since A is an element in our list XX. Similarly, we can say list in XX, we have true. Whereas if we say 3 in XX, we get false. So those are some of the list operations. Great. And in the next lecture, we'll look at nested lists. Thank you, everyone.